In this question, it is given that if 1 square minus 2 square plus 3 square minus 4 square plus 2023 square equal to 1012 into m square n, then the value of m square minus n square, where GCD of m and n is equal to 1. To do this question, first I will do an easy question of similar form. And suppose the question is calculate the value of 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6 up to plus 999 minus 1000. To calculate the value of this, the concept which immediately comes in the mind is calculate the value of 1 plus 3 plus 5 up to 999 minus 2 plus 4 plus 6 up to 1000. Find the sum of all these terms. Because it is an AP, it can be found very easily. It is also an AP, the sum of these terms can also be found, and by subtracting you can get the answer, but it is very lengthy. If I do the question in smart way, the question can be done just in 1 second. Yes, really only 1 second we can do this question. See how. The better way of doing this question will be make pairs. And value of each pair is -1, therefore -1 -1 -1 -1 up to -1, that is minus 500, because there will be 500 pairs, therefore the answer is minus 500. And some students think that this way is possible only when the number of terms are even. Some students say that had the question be this, then how you will do? Because in this, if I start pairing, all the numbers cannot be covered. Then again, no problem. Now most of the students will say make start pairing this, 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 and plus 997 minus 998 plus 999. Therefore the value of this pair will also be -1, and only this will be remaining. And because from here till here the number of pairs will be half of 998, that is 499 pairs will be there, and the value of each pair is -1. Therefore sum of all these terms will become -499 plus 999, that is equal to 500. Agreed, it is correct, but I will make it even more better. Even more slightly better way is start pairing in this way. And keeping one aside. 1, the value of this pair is +1. The value of this pair is again 1. In this way, the value of this pair is also 1. Therefore, the number of terms in this case will be half of 998, that is 499, that is equal to 500. You may feel that both the methods are equivalent. Yes, both the methods are equivalent, but for higher level questions, when this term has square or etc., in that case this will be better when the last term is a bit bigger number. Before doing the original question, one more thing I would like to tell you before I do this. And now if I ask 1 square minus 2 square plus 3 square minus 4 square up to 999 square minus 1000 square. Again, you must have been able to think now that if I start pairing in this case, in this way, each pair will be equal to 1 minus 2 into 1 plus 2. This will be 3 minus 4 into 3 plus 4, and 999 minus 1000 into 999 plus 1000. This is equal to, now one part is always minus 1, therefore minus 1 can be taken common. Interior part, it's not good to write looking at these as 3 plus 7 etc. The better will be write 1 plus 2 as it is, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to 999 plus 1000, and now the sum is 1000 into 1001 by 2. Now it is easy. One more, the last similar thing is suppose 1 square minus 2 square plus 3 square minus 4 square. Suppose up to 999 square is there. Again, as I told you, instead of starting pair from here, start making pair from here because number of terms are odd. Therefore, if I keep it aside and start making pair in this way, that will be slightly better. What I will do, 1 minus, now 2 square minus 3 square plus 4 square minus 5 square up to 998 square minus 999 square. Again, in this case, had I started making from here, then I would have to keep this aside, and this is a bigger number to deal with, but it is a smaller number to deal with, hence it is better to do it in this way. Now 1 minus, now each part can be written as 2 minus 3 into 2 plus 3 plus 4 minus 5 into 4 plus 5 up to 998 minus 999 into 998 plus 999. And this is equal to 1 minus. Each term has one part minus 1 that can be taken common, and plus will be there. Now plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 up to 998 plus 999. Now it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to 999. That is 999 into 1000 by 2. Isn't it very simple as compared to the normal way? Just for knowledge, I am telling you, a question in IIT had come. The question was 1 square plus 2 square minus 3 square minus 4 square plus 5 square plus 6 square minus 7 square minus 8 square up to minus 999 square minus 1000 square was there, and you have to calculate the value of this. This question came in JEE Advanced about 10 years back. And after making your basic concept required for this question clear, now I'm going to do the question. In this case, to find the value of left hand side, you can see very easily number of terms are odd. Therefore, as usual, after writing left hand side as 1 square minus 2 square plus 3 square minus 4 square up to minus 2022 square plus 2023 square. Again, start pairing in this way, not 1 square minus 2 square. Better will be start making pair from here as I told you just now, and in this way last pair will be this. And now write it as 1 minus 2 square minus 3 square plus 4 square minus 5 square up to 2022 square minus 2023 square. This is equal to 1 minus 1 into 2 plus 3 minus 1 into 4 plus 5 minus 1 into 2022 plus 2023. This is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to 2023. Sum will be clearly 2023 into 2024 by 2, which is equal to 1012 into 2023. But in right hand side 1012 into m square n was there, therefore, and writing it as 1012 into m square n. Now you have to find the value of m and n, and now it means the value of m square n is 2023, and to bring 2023 in perfect square into some natural number form, I would like to make the prime factorization of this. For making the prime factorization of this, it's clear that it is not divisible by 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. Therefore, I will directly start checking from 7. From 7, if I divide, I will be getting 2, 8 and 9. Therefore, the value of m square n is 7 into 289. And it is very much clear to all of you that this is 17 square. M square n is 7 into 17 square. Therefore, I can say the value of m is 17 and the value of n is 7. Hence, the value of m square minus n square is 17 square minus 7 square, which is 17 plus 7 into 17 minus 7, that is 24 into 10, that is 240. Hence, answer to this question is 240.